5 real-named Barndominium builds. Not concepts, not mood boards, not starting at prices that turn into something else the moment you get serious. 5 actual named homes, with real square footage, real room counts, real kit prices I pulled directly from current 2026 sources, and the honest number of what it'll actually cost to move into each one. And number 3, when I found that kit price for what you're getting, I genuinely stopped and checked it twice. Let's go through all 5. If you want real Barndominium specs grounded in actual 2026 data, subscribe to Barndominium Haven right now. Hit the bell. Stay till the mistake section, because every buyer of every home on this list is at risk of the same error. And it's the one that quietly adds $30,000 to $80,000 to a budget nobody planned for. One honest baseline before we get into the 5. The kit price covers the structure: steel, siding, roofing, framing. It does not cover foundation, insulation, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, septic, or well. You can expect to spend between $80 and $300 per square foot to finish a home, depending on your market, with the kit representing roughly 25 to 35% of that total. I'll give you both numbers for each build: the kit price and the honest all-in range to move in. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 3,058 square feet living, 1,800 square feet garage. The Hammond is a magnificent 2-story Barndominium, showcasing comfort, style, and flexibility for the modern family, with an open floor plan that seamlessly flows from the living, dining, and kitchen areas. It's also got a wraparound porch, a loft space upstairs, and a garage big enough for 8 cars. Here's the real spec. The Hammond Barndominium weld-up kit comes with 26-gauge PBR panel for roof and walls, engineered for your county, with approximately 6 to 8 weeks delivery time after finalized engineered plans. The kit price, the Hammond SIPS kit price, is $329.50 honest all-in cost, at $125 to $160 per square foot to finish a 3,058 square foot home. You're looking at $382,000 to $489,000 fully finished in a mid-cost market. My honest take: this is the build for the buyer who needs serious square footage and a shop large enough to run a business from. The wraparound porch is genuinely one of the best in this entire list. 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,900 plus SQ feet, self-contained in-law suite. This is the multi-generational one. The in-laws Outlaws Barndominium floor plan has 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms in total. 4 bedrooms in the main house and 1 bedroom in the in-law suite. The self-contained in-law suite has a kitchen, full bath, laundry, and office. That in-law suite is genuinely self-contained. Not a bedroom with a bathroom down the hall. Its own kitchen, its own laundry, its own office. For a multi-generational household, this is the most honestly thought-through floor plan I've seen in this category. Kit price. The Outlaw Multi-Generational Home Plan SIPS kit price is $321,620. Honest all-in cost, at $125 to $160 per square foot across 3,900 square feet, $487,000 to $624,000 fully finished. That's a real number, a significant number, but divided across 2 households sharing one structure. It's one of the most financially intelligent multi-generational configurations available in prefab construction. 4 bedrooms, 2-story, wraparound porch, loft. Here's the build that made me stop. This 2-story cottage-style home blends clean Barndominium practicality with warm, classic curb appeal. With a wraparound porch, vertical siding, a metal roof, large windows, and natural wood porch posts. Inside, the plan includes an open main living space, a first-floor primary suite, a dedicated office, 3 additional upstairs bedrooms, a loft, and a 2-car garage, plus a pantry, laundry room, and generous covered porch space. First-floor primary suite, 3 upstairs bedrooms, dedicated office, loft, wraparound porch, 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 2 stories. Wraparound porch. Kit price. The Cottage SIPS kit price is $176,499. $176,499. For a 4-bedroom, 2-story home with a wraparound porch, a loft, and a 2-car garage, that is the number that shouldn't be this accessible for what you're getting. The Cottage kit takes 3 to 5 weeks to deliver in red iron, and 7 to 8 weeks to deliver as a SIPS kit. Honest all-in cost. At $125 to $160 per square foot, the Cottage finishes at approximately $250,000 to $320,000 fully finished in a mid-cost market. For a 4-bedroom, 2-story home with a wraparound porch, that's the number most people can't believe is real. It is. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, loft, 2,704 square feet, cathedral ceilings. This is the one with the real-world thermal performance story attached to it. The Lonesome Dove, in Tolar, Texas, is one of the first SIPs built in Texas. This Dove has cathedral ceilings and uses mini-splits for heat and air. During a recent cold snap in Texas, the owners wrote, "It's so cold here, yet we don't have the heat on, and it's super comfortable in the house." That's not a marketing claim. That's a verified owner quote from an actual completed build. The Dove Home Kit is one of the most popular options, offering 2,704 square feet of stylish and functional living space, featuring 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a loft, and a spacious back porch. Available in weld-up red iron, bolt-up red iron, SIPS, and cold-formed steel, the Dove Kit is engineered for strength, flexibility, and energy efficiency. Kit price. The Dove Kits start at $43,500 for a 3-bedroom configuration, with SIPS kits landing higher based on your specific configuration. Honest all-in cost. At 2,704 square feet, at $125 to $160 per square foot. $338,000 to $432,000 fully finished. My honest take, the Lonesome Dove is the build I'd put on rural land in a cold climate without hesitation. The SIP's thermal performance is real. A family not running heat in a Texas cold snap proves it. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,678 square feet, 25-foot vaulted ceiling, 1,100 square feet covered porches, 3-car garage. This is the one. The Huron Barndominium features impressive 10-foot wall heights throughout the home, creating a spacious and airy feel in every room. A soaring 25-foot vaulted ceiling at the roof peak adds dramatic volume to the central living area. The Huron features over 1,100 square feet of covered porches and an expansive 3-car garage with 1,994 square feet of space, with a total covered footprint of over 5,700 square feet. 25-foot vaulted ceiling, 1,100 square feet of covered porches, 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Kit price. The Huron SIPS kit price is $250,659. Honest all-in cost. At 2,678 square feet, at $160 to $150 to $428,480, fully finished. And here's the detail that earns it the top spot. In 2026, a 40% increase in buyers are using the Huron's 4th bedroom as a high-end, sound-isolated home office. Builders love this plan because it provides that extra quiet zone without the tax burden of a massive footprint. The Huron isn't just the best on this list architecturally. It's the most practically useful for the way people are actually living in 2026. Same mistake. Every build on this list. Every time. They price the kit and forget the site. Site work, well, and septic can add $25,000 to $55,000 before a single post goes in the ground. That's not in the kit price for any of these 5. It's separate. It's real. It hits every buyer who didn't ask about it at the beginning. Before you order any kit, call your county planning office. Find out the septic requirements, the well depth, the utility extension cost, the permit fees. Site work adds $25,000 to $55,000 to every number on this list. Add it before you make a decision, not after. 5 real named builds. Real 2026 kit prices. Real honest all-in numbers. The Hammond, $329,450 SIPS kit, $382,000 to $489,000 finished, for 3,058 square feet, and a shop that holds 8 cars. The Outlaws, $321,624,000 finished. The most honest multi-generational floor plan in prefab construction. The Cottage, $176,499 kit, $250,000 to $320,000 finished. 4 bedrooms, 2 stories, wraparound porch. The number that shouldn't be this low for what you're getting. The Lonesome Dove, starting at $43,500 kit, $338,000 to $432,000 finished. The build with a real-world cold climate thermal performance story behind it. The Huron, $250,659 SIPS kit, $334,750 to $428,480 finished. 25-foot vaulted ceiling, 1,100 square feet of porch. The most complete 2026 package on this list. All 5 are real. All 5 are orderable right now. All 5 have documented 2026 pricing. Which one's yours? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to Barndominium Haven, and I'll see you in the next one.